Hey, what's up? What's going on? Daria Jackson Ligon here, co-founder of Online Success Made Simple. So, a couple of days ago, I went live here to share with you about Nowsite 2.0. And what's happening with Nowsite is that they have added the AI powered technology to all their websites, their emails, their social media content, SSS, SalesFlow, and online ads. So what does that mean? So first of all, AI is artificial intelligence. And what that does is, let's say you're a person that you struggle with creating copy. Hey, what's up? What's going on, guys? Thank you for jumping on. So let's say you struggle with copy. You're not sure what to say in your ads. You're not sure what to say in your emails. You're not sure what to say in your social media posts. So that's where artificial intelligence comes in at, because all you have to do is just tell it to create an email talking about XYZ, and it will populate an email for you. And then you can either use that email, tweak it, but it's a great start. I know for me, when I was in school, writing was not my strong point. So I always struggle with how to start, the framework and everything. So if you have something that can help you get started, it's like for me, if I had something like a template or something to get me started, doing the rest was a piece of cake, but it was always getting started for me. So I use this tool a lot for a lot of different things when I'm creating websites, when I'm creating landing pages, and I'm not really sure the type of copy that I should be using to get people to move. Because remember, marketing has a lot to do with psychology, right? You want to get the person to move, to click the link, to take a look at a video, or to even make a purchase, right? So that's what this thing is all about. So that will be coming out in February. Now, if you're not sure what Nowsite is, I'm going to run down what it is that it does for you. Some of the things that you get. Nowsite is for any business owner, whether you're doing network marketing, whether you have a brick and mortar, whether you're selling products, direct sales, it doesn't matter. If you're in business, Nowsite works for you. So Nowsite has two packages right now. There's a $99 package and there's a $49 package. So the $49 package is called Nowsite Marketing. So I'm going to run down to you what it is that you get with the package, because it's amazing. Okay. And I see a bunch of you jumping on. Hey, what's up? Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate you. So stay to the end, because I do have something really cool to share at the end. So the $49 package gives you unlimited websites. So you can make as many websites as you want, unlimited sales funnels, unlimited social media posts. So if you struggle with social media posts for your niche, you want Nowsite. Unlimited blogs, email marketing. So all the tools that you need to market online, Nowsite has it. You also get team management. You get a CRM, which is a customer relationship management system. You also get detailed analytics on the people that you prospect, or Nowsite will find for you. Did you know that Nowsite will help you find the perfect customer? So that means you would type in, the avatar of your customer. So you would type in their name, not a name, where they're from, what kind of money they make, what they like to do, anything that you could think of that your perfect avatar would be. They will go out into the cyberspace world and bring you back a targeted prospect. So that's that. And then you get 24-hour support. So how that works is that you click on a button, you click on an expert, it takes you directly into a Zoom. And if you have any questions, or you are struggling with your website or whatever, you can't figure something out, there's a person right there that you can speak to, and they will help you with whatever issue you may have. So if you're getting value from this so far, if this is like, wow, I know a few people that would appreciate something like this, share this, because this is boss right here. I've been with Nowsite for a year now, and they just get better and better and better. So now that is the $49 a month package. Now the $99 package, this is what you get. So you get everything that I mentioned in the $49 package, but then there's more. So you get websites that are made for you. You get done for you services. So if you don't feel like making a landing page, you don't feel like making the emails, you can fill out a form and have it made for you. You get unlimited targeted prospects. Okay. And you get a website, an email series made by our experts, which and everything would be AI powered. Okay. So if you don't want to do it, or if you do want to do it, it's totally up to you. But the $99 package is definitely the way to go, because you get much more for it, and everything is unlimited. Now, for the next week, you get 50% off. So you can get the $49 package right now for $25. The Nowsite marketing package, you can get it now for $25. So if that's something that you want to get, ask me for the link, and I'll put the link in the comments so that you can sign up and get access to this amazing system. Now, the Nowsite Unlimited, which is now $99 a month, you can get it for $49. So what you would do is, depending on which one you want, if you want the $49 package, you're going to put in the code 25, because you're going to get it for $25. And then for the 99 package, you'll get it for $49, and you're going to put in code 49. And then you'll get that package for $49. And that's only happening for a week right now. So if I were you, I would jump on this, because the beginning of February is when the AI will roll out. So then this will give you time to familiarize yourself with the system, make some websites. You can even make money with this. So, if you know people that come to you for services, or need services like that need digital business cards, or they may need websites, or they may need landing pages, or even creating email series, you can do all of that through the system using the AI technology. So, it's not even like you have to put forth a lot of work, and then you produce a nice product for your customers. So that's just, a thought. That's just something that, you could do. So if you want more information, make sure in the comments below, just let me know. I'll send you my link. And also indicate whether you want the marketing package, the $49 package, or you want the Nowsite Unlimited. And then I'll tell you what code to put in there so you can get 50% off of that. Right? So if you got value from that, just let me know. It's all good. I really appreciate you listening, and you guys jumping on. Want to say hello to Kim, and there's a few other people that are jumping on. I mean, it's just like going so fast. I can't catch everybody, but I really appreciate you guys jumping on and listening to me this evening. So that's pretty much it. So like I said, if you want access to the system, you want more information, I will definitely, if you want the replay for tomorrow, also put replay for tomorrow from yesterday. Put replay in the comments, and I will send you over the video as well so that you can get even more information on what Nowsite is and what it can do for you in your business. Now remember, this is something that you can use whether you have a brick and mortar. You may want to use this system to drive more traffic into your restaurant or inside your hair salon or whatever it is that you have. And then it's also great if you're doing online marketing because you can drive targeted traffic to your link. And then it also comes with all the tools that are necessary so that you can have a funnel working for you 24/7, because I love automations. All right, I hear you. Yes, get me that 2K likes. I appreciate that. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much for hopping on. I appreciate that, and I will definitely do my part to make sure that do my due diligence and follow and like and comment as well. I love this platform. I love how we here and yeah. So I'm going to run. So in the comments, if you need anything, whether you want the replay, make sure you put replay in the comments, and I will send you the video of yesterday. And then also, if you're interested in checking out the packages, you want to sign up, then let me know whether you want to sign up for the $49 package or the $99 package. And then remember, those are 50% off. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening, coming through, sharing it with your peeps, anybody that you feel would get value from this. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video.